Welcome to day three of the 60 days Excel Mastery Challenge. In day three, we'll be looking at how to quickly remove duplicates from our data sets. So before we start, let's know what we mean by duplicates. So duplicates in a data set refer to records that contain identical values across all fields, indicating they represent the same entity. And duplicate can arise from various sources, including human errors during data entry, unintentional multiple submissions, or merging data sets without proper checks. So, if we continue with duplicates or if we continue without removing duplicates, it will lead to inaccuracies in our analysis. Now, based on our definition of duplicates, you can see that we have some examples here of duplicates. To note that duplicates represent repetitions across all fields. What does that mean? Let's assume that we have, say, product in our second column, and we have cost in our third column. For country to qualify as a duplicate, it means that these two Canada here will have exactly the same values. Well, let's see what I mean. Let's say we have product here and we have sales here, okay? And under Canada, we had products like sunscreen, right? And under sales, we had 2,500. So what qualifies this Canada to be duplicate will mean that we have exactly the same values here. So that is why we say duplicates are records that contain identical values across all fields. So across all the fields you must have identical values. I believe that is clear. All right. So to remove duplicates, we just go ahead and highlight the data set we want to remove duplicates, and then we head on to data on our ribbon, right? Then under the data tools group, you will see remove duplicates. If you don't see remove duplicates like this in your own Excel, you are going to see this icon, right? So it also means remove duplicates. So you go ahead and click it. Once you click it, you have a remove duplicates settings here that will ask you what headers or columns you want to remove your duplicates. Okay? You can check the columns that have the duplicates that you want to remove. Go ahead and click OK. So now, once we click OK, you see the notification. Excel tells us that 50 duplicate values found and removed, right? So they have removed 50 duplicates that were found. Then they left 4 unique values, okay, for us. We click OK. So you see that our data set now had just 4 unique values. So that is how we easily remove duplicates. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, put on the notification, and watch out for day 5.